Our mele that we're doing, Mele No Kuʻu Pua, was written by my daughter Kamalani in 1993 when she was a student at KEALI'IKA'APUNIHONUA Community College. For her Hawaiian class, she was asked to write a paper about her ancestors or legacy of what they've left her. But she chose to write a chat instead. And being we come from Kauai, we went to Kauai and she wrote this mele, how her ancestors have left her this gift of her voice and how she was to use it and find herself in this voice. So in her mele, she says, "Where are you, this flower? We're looking for you." And so we want to share this year, being we've been pandemic, and I just want to feel family. So I felt, let's just do family. And so we've chosen to do her mele and share it, because we haven't done it since 1993. I think I took it to Mayor Monarch, and that was it. So we share Kamalani's mele, Mele No Kuʻu Pua.